Are you tired of juggling multiple tools for your sales efforts? Meet Salesflare, your ultimate email integration solution. With over 400 glowing reviews and a 4.85 rating, we make merging your email with sales simple. Our email integration lets you connect seamlessly with Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Automate your address book and follow-ups for streamlined outreach. Easily manage leads without switching back and forth between tabs. Send personalized email sequences to engage leads at scale, all from your inbox. Track email opens, clicks, and visits to understand your audience better. Create reusable email templates to save time on routine messages. Automatically sync email signatures to eliminate tedious manual updates. Have questions? Our team is ready to assist or offer a free demo. All these features come with every CRM plan we offer. Elevate your email game today. Integrate better with Salesflare. Act now and experience seamless email integration like never before.